Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, then type your device manager, and from the search results, click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the network adapter. Just click on this icon, then right click on the particular network connection. Go to drivers tab, click on update driver and select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close all windows one by one and simply right click on the star icon, click on settings, then click on these three lines and click on network and internet. Once we're here, just scroll down and click on proxy and make sure you have to disable this option, automatically detect settings. So disable this one. Once done, close this window, then go to search bar, type your task manager, click here to open it. Now click on run new task and select browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, then we need to find out system32 folder. Here it is. Double click on it to open it and then find out cmd.exe file. Select it and click on open. Now make sure this is the path we needed, Windows system32 and cmd.exe. Now check this box. This is very important, and because this will create the task with administrative privileges. And yeah, click on OK. Now close the background windows. We need to just focus on this window. We need to execute the command ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. So once done, simply type exit and open services window and find out here DNS client. Simply right click on it, select properties, make sure you have to set startup type as automatic and it should be running. Then click on apply and then OK, and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure and 100%. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.